Chronicles. Sunrise edition. Day 384, 6:35 in the morning. Something in here smells funny. Not sure what that is. Guess we'll find out. And it's a Monday. Let's go. Pretty much the same story as every day. But I don't know. Got a meeting this morning, I think, as far as I know. Not sure what's on the agenda for today. Got some more admin stuff I need to do because I'm having a meeting for the office people on termites. Kind of what we do, that kind of thing, and so they know what to ask. So that's gotta get the written. Well, I've got it written. I just gonna get it typed up and print it out. Maybe I'll do that today because I don't know when I'm doing that. So yeah, so there we go. Day 384. Is it 384? No. Yes. Oh. 84. That's a good year. I like that year. I remember a lot of things about it. I mean, not right now, but like I was. Anyway, I'm gonna drive. All right, it's 7:32. We're at work. We still have guys parking in our lot. That's not gonna go over well. So anyway, I really hope today's a good day. I'm gonna try to make it one, as we always do. And I've got some stuff that I'm gonna put in my office. Because, I don't know why I hit the stop button. That's weird. Sorry, guys. Because, you know, I don't have space at my house. Let's be honest. So we'll put it here because I spend more time here anyway. So I can enjoy it here more than I can enjoy it at my house. And it's so cluttered at my house, I can't see it anyway. So I can't enjoy it if I can't see it, right? So we're going to get all this stuff out. All right, well, it is now, what time is it? What time is it? 3:35. We're going home. Yay. So I'll go over my recap when I get home, obviously. Because that's what I do every day. You need a recap. Like it or not, you're getting it. I hope you like it. All right, well, it's 4:42. I'm home. And we got a rug. All right. On film. It's a cool rug. Ken got it. And the rug we have currently in the den is from First Street. So I think that was one of her first purchases here, was some furniture and that rug. So got our money's worth out of it. And yeah, so she got something new. I think it's going to be fun. You'll get to see it later, I'm sure. Maybe. If not today, tomorrow. But dog didn't poop this morning, so he is making a beeline. Well, no, he's not. He's making a beeline to go roll. I don't know what's wrong with the dog. He's crazy. So today wasn't a horrible day, I don't guess. We get there and the office was like freezing cold. Like 47 degrees inside cold. And I thought it was just one of those, like, you know, the owner and Andrew had this little battle to where they keep cutting the thermostat up and down because the owner can do it remotely and Andrew has to be inside. So I thought that's what it was. Kind of find out the heat wasn't working. The motor had froze up or something. So it was, I think, finally got up to about 50 around lunchtime. And it was kind of brutal. So everybody's huddled in their offices with little heaters and it was gross. Meeting went okay today, I suppose. Tomorrow is hell day because tomorrow is the day that, what you got in your head? Tomorrow's the day that the email for all our customers gets launched. And that's like 4,000 something customers. So I think me, Patrick, and Andrew are on the phones, and Carl and Brandon are on emails. So should be pretty jamming nonstop. So I don't know. And I found where that stupid system they have to use, like when you put in a bait check, it's supposed to reoccur every 3 months, because you're supposed to check it every 3 months, and it doesn't. So I had to manually put in every single one for the year of 2021. So that's 4 jobs for each bait customer we got. Fortunately, it's January, so we haven't really missed anything, but we got technicians that got nothing to do, going home or not working, and we've got 20-something bait checks we can go do. So, oh well. And that system's just kind of janky anyway, because it doesn't really have an option to, like, the technician can't look at it and see, oh, well, this person has, this with us, that with us, and they have a vegetable garden they need to look out for. They have pets, they have locked areas, detached garage, nowhere to put all that. Well, they kind of do, but the technician can't see it. So you got to put it in the permanent billing notes or permanent service notes, so that thing reads like a novel. So, but that's what we did today. I know tomorrow's gonna be kind of chaotic. Apparently they're gonna get the body work done to the truck I'm driving at some point this week, maybe. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna drive home yet. Still playing this game. So just get me something to drive, and then I'll just drive it to work and back, and that's it. And it's gonna, I don't know, they won't do it. So it'll be musical trucks, I guess. And on the one hand, I could think, oh well, I should just count my lucky stars that I've got that option. But that was part of my option to get hired. I didn't, it wasn't like they're doing this out of the nice of my heart. I'm like, I will take this amount of money and this, and I will work for you. So far, that end has not really been held up very well. I mean, it kind of has, but it's just, I don't know. But yeah, so had a decent night's sleep, I think. Don't recall waking up or anything. So that was good. And yeah, I'm excited to see this rug. I know kind of what it is, but can't open it yet. So I'm gonna go feed the dog and try to unwind a bit. All right, so as I look at that, dude. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's what happens when you get no hair. You just got to deal with it. All right. So, I got to think about something today, because, the rest of the conversation Friday kind of makes me think. And then Corinne made a comment that, she was working out financials for something, and she said she'd wish she was doing that for my company or our company instead of for Walmart. So I got to thinking about it. I'm like, if Dad's company was in Charlotte and the company I work for was in Charlotte, would I still be working where I'm at? And conversely, if the company I was working for was in Albemarle and Dad's company was in Albemarle, would I want to go work at Dad's company? So, I guess what I'm getting at is the lingering, gosh, here. I'm gonna get him a treat. Hang on. Okay. So, for the longest time before I started working for this current one, I was, kind of in this limbo phase of like, will things work out with Wolfpack or not? Now, if the company wasn't literally within walking distance to my house, would I still be so apt to kind of hang out and want to see if it's going to work out? And I think that kind of changes the perspective, because I don't know that I don't know. I guess what I'm trying to say is that at the end of the day, 15 years from now, no matter what I do for my current company, sorry, I'm taking my coat off. I should have just done that and then talked to you. I didn't know because I'm dumb. I'm not going to own it. It's not going to be mine. I'm not going to get anything extra from it. Other than like merit pay or raises or bonuses, whatever. And it will never be mine. Or I'll never be an owner of it. Whereas with Dad's company, that would probably be an option. So, not that I care that much about stuff like that, but, you know, I think I would really like to get to a point financially to where she didn't have to work as a manager at Walmart. She couldn't work at where I'm at now, you know. So I don't know. It was just something I was thinking about. I was like, like if it was presented, same pay, same everything, same amount of respect, different locations, you're going to own one day, or be a co-owner, whatever. What would I do? I'm not in that situation currently, but something to think about. So, anyways, enough deep thoughts by me. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. So, but I'm shifting gears. Grind them till you find them. I'm pretty excited about the farm. I don't know why. I mean, because I don't know. I mean, I'm not really any further along now than I was last week, but for some reason, it's like I don't know. I just, maybe it's the affirmation of having Jimmy come over and look at it, and then like Rusty, of course, we stood in the farmhouse, looked at it. I think I forget that I'm doing all this by myself, and I don't know. I've just been feeling really motivated to do stuff, and it's unfortunate that I've got to work because I feel like I could maybe get some stuff done, but I don't know. I can't really say why I do. I mean, there's no reason. It's not like, oh, well, I got a room done. So I don't know, but it's just been something like I've been thinking about all day, and just kind of in the back of my head, driving to work and way home. I'm like, oh man, I can't wait to get this done, get on this, and I don't have to get that. And I don't know. It's just, it's weird. So anyway, I'm gonna relax. Oh, one other thing. I've got to find my GoPro. I don't know where it is. I know I took it to Disney. The first in September, or I was at least had it charged up to go. But I'm not sure where it ended up. I want to say I put it somewhere because I don't know. Maybe I'll go hunt for that. All right, so we got a floor cleaned out, and we're getting ready to working on the rug. I'll pause it because it might take a minute. Oh, it's a ruggable. Can't see it because of the dog.
Lay down.
Ruggables.
Snow.
All right, here we go. And
Rug.
have a rug.
Birth the rug. Oh, that's pretty nice.
Is it the top side or the bottom side?
That's the top side.
Oh, okay.
This is going to be the not so exciting part, though.
I'm gonna pause it. Now for the moment of truth. Bum, 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 bum.
Why are those there?
Because they were on the table.
They could have stayed. Alright, this is the I don't know what I'm doing part. There's already hair everywhere. How many times did I vacuum?
like a lot. Okay, now it's unrolled. You, the viewer, what do you notice about it? Let me zoom in. Oh, yeah.
There's so
I don't see where they all are.
many.
I see the 4. Where's the rest of them?
There's 4. They're in the corners. They're inside. Got little Mickeys there, and 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 there.
Okay, yeah, I see them now.
They're everywhere.
So there it is. 100% less stinky.
Well,
The rug is. Definitely 100%.
yes, the rug is 100% stinky. Less stinky.
Yeah.
Less stinky.
Okay.
I like it. And it feels pretty cool, too.
It does. Okay.
Oh, there's a little Mickey. Did I point that one out? I don't think I pointed that one out. And there's a little Mickey there and there.
Alright, so we'll do the outro real quick because outro. Boring work day. Sorry. We got a rug though. And it smells.
It's an exciting day. We got a new rug.
Well, that's what I was getting at. This is a boring work day.
That's not what you said. You said boring day.
Boring work day. But we got a new rug. Oh. Film. I don't know. I got nothing. Got a whitey. Bye bye.
Oh, did you see somebody stalking me? Is that
Tomorrow's
what
gonna be
happened?
yucky day. So I'm kind of stressed out about it, but we'll see how it goes.